This is room 104 at the White Sands Hotel in beautiful Honolulu, Hawaii. This is where Kathy and I are staying for our one night before our cruise. This is room 104. We have our little map of where we're staying. We are on the ground floor, which is very convenient. As I'll show you in a minute, it's convenient to several places we'll be going later. Let's take a look at the room. We have two queens for whatever reason, but that's okay. So here's our very nice, these are queen size beds. They're not fulls, they're full queen size beds. We have two queens with a nice, it's a little beat up, but it's very usable dresser, not dresser, but table in the middle with a phone that services the hotel, plus a lamp, and some nice little lychee candies on the bed, and the remote controls with some information about things regarding the hotel and some paper. Nice thing about the hotel is you have a fairly good-sized television, a air conditioner that is doing a very good job right now, as well as a fan, which is high enough that I'm not in danger of whacking my head on it. So that's good. Over here to the left is a little kitchenette, I would describe it as. It has a very large safe. You could put a couple of laptops in there. That'll fit all your bills, 100s, 50s, 20s. It's big enough for everything. You have a microwave oven. It's like a convection microwave, I think, so that can do a lot of things. Sink, garbage underneath, and a pretty good sized refrigerator there. You have, you can heat some water up in your kettle. You have an ice bucket, a couple of, okay guys, you could have given a little bit bigger bottle of water, but hey, whatever, we'll forgive him. Some nice, if you need to know where to go, you know, which island is which, you have a nice map of Hawaii up there that'll tell you what island you're on. And just in case you need a reminder that please, you know, do not steal things, people. It tells you not to take the stuff. Let's take a look at our bathroom, and then we'll take a look at what's out here. Okay, so let's take a look inside our bathroom, and there's actually something that's kind of neat over here in the bathroom. Come on, camera, follow me in. Let's turn the lights on. Now, one thing that's a little bit off-putting about the bathroom is it has a very powerful fan, and you cannot turn the fan off. It's just loud. Nice toileting area, everything's cool there. A little bit old-fashioned toilet. Let's just take a look at it. Yeah, that's gonna whack down on you. That's not one of those. Yeah, be careful putting that one down. It's gonna be loud. Nice state of the 1975 mirror. That's here. Nice sink. Shower is a shower curtain model.
With a big step.
Big step in to get in there. Has, you take a look in the shower. It has a single control for hot water, cold water, and power, adjustable and removable wand. Very common kind of shower. It should do, we'll let you know.
Just the big
but
step.
It's just a very large step that is, and we got a bonus little bug. Neat little thing here is you have a closet with an iron. It's very humid here in Hawaii, so I don't know that the iron will be too necessary, but there's one there. And you can get a robe if you want. Also has a luggage stand there in here if you need a luggage. If you want to put your luggage there. So very serviceable room. A little bit kitschy, a little bit fun. Now let's take a look at where we're staying. we're on the ground floor, which I think will be fine. But let's just take a little look, because there's some folks out here, but we're about, oh, I don't know.
Hey, open up the whole thing.
Well, there's people out here, so
That's
we don't want
okay.
to. We're about
Open it all.
18 feet from the bar, and those people are. And that's room 104 at the White Sands Hotel. And we'll let you know how this goes tomorrow. And it should be a good pre-cruise hotel. And so far the hotel's been great. It's just a place to relax and stay. It's very kitschy and very cozy place to stay. Very, very homely. In the nicest sort of way. Sorry, that's the English way of saying it. It's very homey. There's the American way of saying it. All right. Thanks, everybody.